Hey guys, welcome to Riverwalk Residences here in Venao West. Right now we're 10 minutes away from Playa Venao, and in this video I'm going to show you the first walkthrough of the first house built here in this development. The presenter of this video is going to be Scott. He's the owner and developer of this whole area, and he's going to show you everything about it. So let's go and check it out.
Hi everybody, my name is Scott Andrews. I'm the owner of Venao West. Welcome, you can come take a look at our houses. So we have a 3-bedroom option and a 4-bedroom option, one with a detached house outside, so you can have a guest stay there or a mother-in-law, or you can rent it. These ones on the inside are around 100 square meters or 1,100 square feet. A lot of our owners and people that are buying in the project, they use these for rentals, and they're perfect for that. And we can manage every step of the process. We have property management and maintenance, and we take care of everything. So it's almost like buying a stock. You can invest in it, and then we take care of everything. So the kitchen is here, a living space. If you want to live here and just do a dining table, you can do that also. That's what I've done in my house. I live right next door, so I'm eating my own cooking. The best chef in Panama. He's going to be at our restaurant in Playa Venao at the new hotel. That's good. And then we have a lot of amazing guests here that are good friends. So the house is block construction. In here we have the kitchen, and then back there we have a washer and dryer, and then there's a bathroom where you can convert it into a pantry. Every house comes with a solar package, a splash pool, and some covered outdoor space outside, which is very important for Panama. This is one of the guest rooms, the bathroom, and then another bedroom. So we have 3 bedrooms. You can turn one into a workspace. You can have an office or a baby room, or you can put bunk beds. We have bunk beds in one of our rooms and in my house. It's block construction. What's up, man? How are you? Nice, bro. And this is the master bedroom. The bathroom is here. Some people that live in these, they won't choose to remove this and extend it. We can do that very easily. We have packages that we can make adjustments, but it's very comfortable. This is exactly what my bedroom looks like, and I'm very happy with it. We have 14-foot high ceilings, very high ceilings, because it gets warm in Panama, obviously, like all year round. It's very comfortable, but it's also warm. So we make sure that we have a lot of space in here. And then outside, the lots are around 500 square meters to 800 square meters, so around 5,000 square feet to 8,000 square feet. Each one comes with a splash pool, and the splash pools can be made larger. You can make it a lot larger if you want. We can make those adjustments if you need. But this one is 250. That one over there is the same size, but it has an outside guest room, and that one's 300. And so that one comes with, if you're a foreigner and you want a visa, they come with a visa. And then also they come with a passport eventually if you hold the asset for 5 years.
Sweet. All right, so who's the perfect buyer for this?
Yeah, so we've gotten a lot of American buyers. We've got a lot of people from Texas and Florida. We also have a lot of people that are just investing in it because they know there's going to be great capital appreciation here. There was a similar product in Venao that started off around the same price, and now it's around 600. We have a school here. There's a hotel that we built, the 3rd Playa Venao hotel is over there. And then we have a space up on this hill, if you can see, for the clubhouse and a restaurant and a pool. And then we have lots of spaces here for commercial to expand into it. So there will be 65 houses in here on the flat area, and the school and the hotel and the clubhouse and some commercial. And then eventually we'll expand up into the hills and have ocean view lots. So it's a big project. We have 150 hectares, which is 430 acres. And this is on around 12 acres of that, 5 hectares.
Right, sweet. And how about the HOA?
HOA is under 250. I think right now we priced it at 220, but obviously the group can decide that later if they want to make changes. We have full-time security. It'll be security will be walled off over there. And then, like I said, there's a school. Everything is going to be paved. We'll have sidewalks. It'll be organized so the kids can ride their bikes to school and people can walk and ride skateboards. The idea is that it's a complete community with all the bells and whistles that everybody can walk to. Unfortunately, in Venao, that doesn't really exist yet. And Venao is an amazing place and we have business there. But we tried to create a bit of a utopia where families can get together, people can have Halloween, Easter egg hunts and do Halloween trick-or-treating and put the Christmas lights up, and something that's good for families from Panama, families from overseas, and whoever wants to invest as a rental property.
Right.
Yeah.
So how have you seen in the past few years the growth that Venao has had? Why Cañas?
Okay, so I've been in Venao for 11 years. We started out by just buying land, but then we expanded into other businesses because Venao needed the amenities like the flight business and a school. Venao is right now at an inflection point where it's about to take off because there's more housing being built. That was a big logjam, and this is a part of that to try to create more housing for the community and for Venao. Cañas is great because Venao, I see the future as being Venao is very commercial and a lot of hospitality and a transient community, whereas this is one where it's for families and residential. And so we're trying to separate ourselves and create a bit of a utopia, a safe place for families with a school and everything within walking distance. And we can do that in Cañas.
Right, so you offer break management and all those services. How will that look like for somebody that comes part-time out of the year?
Yeah, so that's no problem. So what we do is for our guests that are here, they're never here, we rent out on a hybrid of short-term and long-term. In the summer we do short-term, in the winter we do longer-term, and we handle everything. We don't have anything that the guest, the buyer needs to manage. We do property management, we do the maintenance, we do the HOA, we pay your taxes with your electricity, everything. The project has wells. We have 3 wells, so fresh, clean water that comes out of the ground. It's very healthy. If you want to put something to have additional cleaning on that, you can do that in your house. But we have full-time security, and it's just the beginning. We've just started. We have 3 finished houses here, the school and the hotel with some people staying there now. But this is going to be a complete town.
Good.
Yeah.
Awesome. I think we covered everything there, man.
Yeah.
I think that's pretty good.
I mean, I do that in my sleep, I talk about that all the time.
Cool, man. Yeah,
thanks.
You got it.
Yeah.
Hey guys, so I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to know more about it, just go to the information we have down below in our website. You'll find all the details there, as well as my contact information. So until next time, take care.